and we'll try powder coating for the first time. See what happens.
Go ahead.
Okay, that's powder coated to me.
Okay. So now we're going to take those and we're going to put them in a 400-degree oven so that they can bake. Okay, so we ready? All right, here we go. Is this the sun moment? Look good. Into the oven. Good. For 20 minutes.
We are baking our front end components, upper and lower control arms, to try to get the grease out of them. There they are. You can see the smoke coming out of them, and getting ready to powder coat them. We'll get them baked, get the grease out, we'll clean them up, we'll tape them up, and we'll powder coat those babies. Of course, we have help from our expert helper, Charlotte. Thanks, Charlotte.
It smells really good.
There's the upper and lower control arm, getting ready to be powder coated. There's the rack right there to put a new one on. It's a little bit windy. We don't want to get the dust in the garage. We're trying to do it outside. There's the other two over here being prepped. Silicone plugs and silicone tape blocking up all the holes. And as soon as they're done, we'll get them mounted on the rack. We'll get them all powder coated and bake them. Oven's up to 400 and ready to go. There's our powder coating setup. We have to kind of back it into the garage because there's always wind here. It never fails. So far today, we've done the intake manifold. Isn't that pretty? We've done the bell housing. That came out real nice. We've already cleaned up the two rocker arm covers, both aluminum. We're going to do those next. And then in the oven, we have a little dust boot and we have a bracket for the engine. It's cooking right now. So, moving along nicely. Alright, there's the plenum. It goes up on top of the intake manifold for the fuel injection. She's powder coated. She's letting it cool. Just came out of the oven a couple minutes ago. And it looks pretty good. Everything looks coated. Nice and smooth. Good looking stuff. Took a long time to get this baby apart. Lots of pieces. There's a spacer there. Those bolts had rusted. It was rusted on pretty good. So what I did is I covered the threads and powder coated those. I'll grease them before I put it together again. And this way it should come apart nice and easy. Looking good. Alrighty. Powder coating some of the last few engine parts. There's the timing chain cover. Just came out of the oven. Very hot. It's looking good. Everything's covered very nicely. It'll keep it from corroding, all that aluminum. I really don't like it when it corrodes. I think it looks kind of lousy. And in the oven right now is on the top of the plenum. There's a little thing that says 5.0 Ford HO. It's baking right now. Got about 10 more minutes left. I'll show you when it comes out.